Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in front of me is another little prepping haul. It is very little, in fact it's only approximately £20 worth. To be fair, I think I'll continue doing my prepping hauls, but I think I might be making it a little bit more challenging again by having a value assigned to the preps. So nonetheless, this is at £20, and my idea was as well, guys, I wanted to find something a little bit different. We all know when we do our prepping stuff, we buy sort of the basics and pretty much I think fall within the routine of buying the same things time and time again. So I was kind of a little bit on a mission trying to find something different, but at the same time, of course, useful for the prepper pantry. I managed to pop into a couple of shops as I normally do anyway. And yes, I've got quite a nice selection, I think, to what I have. So I'm going to start with Lidl, my favorite shop of all. As you can see here, I have a very nice collection of some pickles. They're doing, again, the XXL week. That means they're selling certain things in the larger quantities or sort of bigger packets per se. So those ones are the Freshona gherkins. And when I've seen the price, I'm like, no, really? That cheap? £2 currently, £2.49, okay? This is a big jar. This is 1.55 kilos of like whole weight or 850 drain weight. When I've seen this, I wasn't quite sure because they called it a pickled, spicy pickles, and they're not spicy at all, so I wasn't sure, but at the checkout, thank God it was correct. Yeah, I never seen them before, and I think it's amazing just for the sake of a jar. Just for comparison, okay, this is the original pickles. I have like one left. They're normally £1.15, and this one only 530 grams and drain weight of 290. So they are by far a better value. And then, of course, we get to keep the jar. So I was really, really happy. So if you do have an XXL week currently in your Lidl, if you want some pickles, pop in there. I think it's absolute bargain. So as you can see, that's taken like half of my budget, but is well worth it. While I was there, they do have the remains of that tomato, fried tomato pasta, Spanish one, 99p. I picked up one. And also, I've been looking at that before, okay? This is the mango pulp. And I wanted to get one. For some reason, I just wanted to have that for some Indian meals. I've got some ideas what to do with it. It was reduced from £2.49 to £1.99. And the date on that is 2026, the end of. It's really good. Shame it's a huge jar, so I'll have to kind of portion it up. But anyway, we'll see. I think it's worth having. Anyway, so then Tesco's was for a different reason. I explained probably in the different video. Okay, but anyway, I just got some more tuna. All right, I picked up 5 of them. Again, funnily enough, the date on them is 7/2027. I've been buying tuna as like a lot constantly, and even the tuna I bought last year, I have some that actually dated 2028. So I'm a bit shocked to see the date on that's pretty short, but nonetheless. And then it was B&M. Okay, I haven't bought a huge amount from there, but first of all, I've seen that. Okay, this is Heinz tomato ketchup. It's got pickled flavor, and that was 99p. There's okay. I thought I would like to give it a go. They're like £3.25 or something. I know it's a bit weird of thing. Never tried this, so I might give it a go. I might give it a go in a minute, actually. Shall I? Let's try it. Sorry. Might as well, you know. So you know then, wouldn't you? It's a weird thing, but I think if you have it with a burger... Don't spit at me. Okay, smells like pickles. Okay. It tastes like dill pickles mixed with tomato ketchup. It's, yeah, I think it's quite nice, actually. If you like dill pickles. But yeah, actually quite good. So 99p. I thought it was absolute bargain. And yes, if you like the taste, then it's actually really, really good. And then, okay, I found those. I'm like, ooh, that looks a bit nice. So, there, the vinegar. This one is Mazzetti. Okay, this is Prosecco white vinegar. Prosecco wine vinegar, sorry. Special edition, okay? Single variety. Right, this is acidity 7%. So I'm like, oh, that's good, right? And 250 milliliters. Right, you know how much would that be? Like, guess, take a guess, take a guess. I was really surprised. 69p. 69p. I was like, woohoo, get in there. I thought absolute bargain, absolute bargain. I assume it's going to taste amazing. It looks pretty cool. A bottle is cool. Love it. It was absolutely must. And at the same time, they had the Chianti wine vinegar, again, special edition. So it's just basically red wine vinegar. Date again 2027. Acidity 7% as well. It's pretty much the same thing, just in red. Again, haven't tried this, but it's got to be good. Again, 69p. I was really, really well chuffed. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's, you can see it's not particularly the hugest ones, but like those pickles, they're gonna last me like a while, and they are absolutely amazing. And I just think it was kind of a good buy, something different. So I strongly encourage you. I think try to step out of your comfort zone. If you have options to pop in somewhere, different shop, just browse the aisles, because especially things like B&M Home Bargains, their stock comes and goes, and sometimes things like this, again, they only had few available, it'll come and then people will buy up and they'll disappear, so you won't be able to get it. And things like tomato ketchup, 99p, come on, that's like really, really good. So they just, yeah, come out of your comfort zone and trying to find some different things to make it, because I think as things are getting harder, we know, and I'll cover this in a different video about the projections for the economy, unfortunately. I think the variety is going to be a key for us, guys, when we have to live a lot from our prep and pantry. So I think paying attention now and get as much variety as possible, just to make our future life just a little bit more palatable, shall I say. So anyway, guys, well, hopefully you have enjoyed this little video. Don't forget, thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. The channel is all about preparedness, and we're not just talking about the food. We cover many aspects of emergency preparedness, and I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye.